beauty. I wonder why they always give you a USB-C to USB-A and just not a USB-C to USB-C. Lens protector, fits on snug. You hit these two buttons here, the camera just comes out, and then this, you gotta open this part here, and then this should just slide out like that. It's the body. All right, this is the screen, and then this is the battery. You just pull it apart. There you have the SD card slot, and then this is the back. The connectors. Right. It's the power on button, the record button. That little hole is the microphone. You have to have a very specific micro SD in order for this to write it at a certain speed. Just pop that in there like that. Connect it like that. I'm gonna swoop this right back into the body, screen facing outward, right? Power. Hit that like button.